Welcome to uCertify Python All-in-One Must-Know Glossary Terms. Term, abstraction. Definition, a technique for arranging complexity in computer systems.
Term, activation function. Definition, a software function that determines whether information passes through, thus activating the neuron, or is stopped by the individual neuron, thus deactivating the neuron.
Term, actuator. Definition, a fancy word for a motor or cable that does things in the real world.
Term, analog to digital converter, ADC. Definition, a converter that takes an analog signal and converts it to a digital signal for a computer to read.
Term, append. Definition, a method that adds an item to the end of the list.
Term, artificial intelligence. Definition, the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages.
Term, aware datetime. Definition, a datetime that includes time zone information.
Term, backpropagation. Definition, a process of backtracking and modifying the weights and biases in the neurons in an effort to fix the error.
Term, baud rate. Definition, the speed at which the bit is sent. Term, Baxter. Definition, a general-purpose cobot. Term, big data. Definition, the complex datasets that are too large for conventional data processing software to handle.
Term, BigQuery. Definition, a serverless model with one of the highest levels of abstraction in the cloud community removes the user's responsibility for bringing new virtual machines online, the amount of RAM, the number of CPUs, and so on. Term, binary file. Definition, a file that stores information in bytes that aren't quite so human-readable.
Term, categorical. Definition, the fact that the data has more than two categories, binary, in the dataset.
Term, class method. Definition, a method associated with the class as a whole, not specific instances of the class.
Term, cobot. Definition, a type of robot that is designed to work closely alongside humans in manufacturing lines. Term, code. Definition, a term that refers to anything written in a programming language to provide instructions to a computer.
Term, coding. Definition, an act of writing code.
Term, comma-separated values, CSV. Definition, a widely used format for storing and transporting tabular data. Term, command thread. Definition, a thread that takes current information from the sensor thread and sends commands out to the motors in their respective thread. Term, confidence interval. Definition, an indication from the neural network that how confident it is in its prediction.
Term, contextual coding. Definition, a practice of writing code that adapts dynamically to different situations or conditions within its environment or context. Term, data analytics. Definition, the process of using and creating statistical analysis for existing sets of data to achieve insights into that data.
Term, data dictionary. Definition, a list in which each item in the list has a unique key.
Term, data science. Definition, the process of working out insights from large data sets of unstructured data.
Term, deserialization. Definition, the process of converting the information back to an object. Term, docstring. Definition, a text enclosed in triple quotation marks.
Term, dunder. Definition, the double underscore symbols that are used to denote special methods or attributes within classes, often known as magic methods or dunder methods.
Term, edge computing. Definition, a process of performing AI analysis or training on small computers connected to a network. Term, editor. A software tool used for writing and modifying code.
Term, embedded system. Definition, a system that has only one dedicated function, Or it may be coordinating an entire set of motos and an arm, telling the other computers what to do.
Term, entropy. Definition, a measure of disorder that refers to the mix of data between the categories.
Term, error. Definition, a package that handles request exceptions. Term, error handling. Definition, a way of replacing the text-speak error message that Python normally displays, which is meaningless to most people, with a message that tells them in plain English what's wrong and, ideally, how to fix it.
Term, escape character. Definition, a character in a string that signals to the interpreter that the character following it should be treated specially.
Term, evolutionary computing. Definition, a set of computational algorithms and heuristics for global optimization that are inspired by biological evolution.
Term, exception. Definition, an error in the real world that prevents the program from running properly. Term, extend. Definition, a method that appends the items from one list to the end of another list. Term, false discovery rate. Definition, the expected proportion of errors where the user incorrectly rejected the hypothesis.
Term, feed forward. Definition, a function that multiplies the matrices containing the weights from each layer to the next layer and then applies the sigmoid activation function.
Term, floor division. Definition, a division that removes the decimal portion from the quotient, so the user gets a whole number. Term, fragment. Definition, a hash followed by a name after the page name at the end of a URL. Term, Git. Definition, a way to store backups of the coding projects and share coding projects with other developers or team members.
Term, github.com. Definition, a web-based hosting service for version control using Git, a well-known system for providing source control for software.
Term, Grove. Definition, a modular, standardized connector prototyping system. Term, Grove Base Unit. Definition, a controller or shield to which the user attaches Grove modules. Term, Grove Connector. Definition, a 4-pin standard size connector that the user plugs into base units and Grove modules. Term, Grove Oxygen Sensor. Definition, a sensor that tests the oxygen concentration in the air. Term, Grove System. Definition, a system that consists of a base unit and various modules with standardized connectors.
Term, Grove Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transistor, UART. Definition, a specialized version of a Grove digital module that uses the digital level, 1 or 0, and the timing of the signal to receive and transmit data.
Term, Head Thread. Definition, a thread that controls the head servos by using commands from the command thread. Term, Head Tilt Middle. Definition, a function that tilts the robot head so that it points out directly from the front of the robot.
Term, ICD-10. Definition, the well-established method for coding medical professional diagnoses for billing and analysis.
Term, Index, a reference to the number inside the square brackets. Term, Insert. Definition, a method that inserts an item into the list at a specific position. Term, IntelliSense text. Definition, a text that detects what's being typed and displays information about the keyword. Term, Interpreter. Definition, a program that directly executes code written in a high-level programming language without the need for compilation. Term, Iterable. Definition, a term that refers to anything Python can loop through to get values. Term, JSON.dump. Definition, a function that writes, serializes Python data to a JSON file or stream. Term, JSON.dumps. Definition, a function that writes, serializes a Python object to a JSON string.
Term, JSON.load. Definition, a function that loads, deserializes, JSON from a file or similar object.
Term, Keras.
Definition: an open-source neural network library that enables fast experimentation with neural networks, deep learning, and machine learning.
Term: list. Definition: a group of items, separated by commas, inside square brackets. Term: loss function. Definition: a function that compares the result of our neural network to the desired results. Term: machine learning. Definition: an AI technique that studies the use of computer algorithms and programs that improve automatically through use and experience. Term: main drive motor. Definition: a direct current, DC, motor that has two wires, namely power and ground. Term: markdown. Definition: a language for writing text that uses fonts, pictures, and more. Term: matplotlib. Definition: a library that adds data visualization functions to Python. Term: motor thread. Definition: a thread that controls the motors and makes them run and stop on command. Term: naive datetime. Definition: a datetime that does not include information that relates it to a specific time zone. Term: neuron. Definition: a software model of a nervous system cell that behaves more or less like a brain neuron. Term: NumPy. Definition: a package that adds tools for big data manipulation to Python, such as large array manipulation functions and high-level mathematical functions. Term: object. An instance of a class. Term: object-oriented programming. Definition: a design philosophy that tries to mimic the real world in the sense that it consists of objects with properties, as well as methods, actions that those objects perform. Term: overfitting. Definition: a problem in which the machine matches the data too closely, such that the network won't match any new, slightly different pictures. Term: pandas. Definition: a package that provides fast, flexible, and expressive data structures to make working with relational or labeled data more intuitive. Term: pandas data frames. Definition: a way to store data in rectangular grids that can be easily examined. Term: parse. Definition: a package that breaks up the URL into smaller chunks. Term: physical computing. Definition: a process of creating interactive systems that integrate hardware and software to interact with the physical world. Term: pip. Definition: a package manager that the user can use to explore, update, and remove existing packages. Term: pooling layer. Definition: a layer that reduces the location sensitivity of a specific feature by pooling the information in a manner that increases the neural network's capability to see the same feature in other locations in an image. Term: pop. Definition: a method that removes an element from the list and provides a copy of that item that the user can store in a variable. Term: pulse width modulation. Definition: a technique in which the user varies the amount of time a signal is at 1 versus at 0. Term: pylint. Definition: a feature of Anaconda that helps the user to find and avoid errors in the code. Term: Raspberry Pi. Definition: an inexpensive, full-blown computing device. Term: reinforcement learning. Definition: an algorithm in which software takes actions based on a cumulative reward. Term: representational state transfer, REST. Definition: a software system that defines a set of communication structures to be used for creating web services, typically using HTTP and HTTPS requests to communicate. Term: robot parser. Definition: a package that analyzes a site's robots.txt file, grants permissions to bots that are trying to access the site programmatically. Term: sensor. Definition: a small piece of electronics that can detect something about the environment. Term: sensor thread. Definition: a thread that periodically reads the ultrasonic sensor so the user always has the current distance available. Term: serialization. Definition:
The process of converting an object into a stream of bytes or characters that can be sent across a wire, stored in a file or database, or stored in memory.
Term: servo motor. Definition: a combination of a DC motor, a simple control circuit, and a gearing set.
Term: stochastic optimization. Definition: a set of methods for minimizing or maximizing a value when randomness is present in the program.
Term: string concatenation. Definition: the process of combining multiple strings into a single string.
Term: structured query language, SQL. Definition: a query-oriented language that is used to interface with databases and to extract information from those databases.
Term: subclass. Definition: a class that inherits all the attributes and methods of some higher-level main class or parent class. Term: supervised learning. Definition: an algorithm that builds a model of data that contains both inputs and outputs.
Term: tensor. Definition: a multidimensional matrix of data which is transformed by each TensorFlow layer through which it moves.
Term: tensor board. Definition: a part of TensorFlow which is available to users in a browser, such as Chrome or Firefox.
Term: TensorFlow. Definition: an open-source, multi-machine set of application programming interfaces, APIs, used for building, learning, and researching deep learning.
Term: text file. Definition: a file that contains plain text characters. Term: threads. Definition: the multiple sections of the program that can be run at the same time. Torque rating. Definition: the maximum amount of force that the servo motor can exert against an external force or load. Term: training loss. Definition: an indicator of how many mistakes were made by the neural network during training.
Term: tuple. Definition: an ordered collection of elements which is immutable and can contain elements of different data types, enclosed within parentheses.
Term: Unicode Transformation Format, UTF-8. Definition: a standardized way to represent letters and numbers on computers.
Term: unsupervised learning. Definition: an algorithm in which the data contains only inputs and the algorithms look for structures and patterns in the data.
Term: variable. Definition: a placeholder for information that may vary, change.
Term: velocity. Definition: the speed at which data undergoes change and the rate at which new data is being accumulated within datasets.
Term: video core IV. Definition: a low-power mobile graphics processor.
Term: volume. The size of the dataset.
Term: web scraping. Definition: a technique that pulls data from the web page for use in some other manner.
Term: Zen of Python. Definition: a list of the guiding principles for the design of the Python language.